My video guide is about getting rid of the fake software update alerts or fake browser update alerts that come from the site Ooees.xyz. Ooees.xyz. This is a dangerous website that may suddenly start attacking your browser. The website tells people to download and install some sort of the software update. It says that you need to add the extension to Chrome. But whenever people mistakenly agree with this proposal, they are actually installing certain unwanted extension that may hijack some of the crucial browser settings. Therefore, do not trust these ooees.xyz pop-ups because after the misleading extension gets installed, you may submit some search queries, and pretty soon you may notice that the results would be delivered by some other unfamiliar search engine. The extension that is promoted by means of these pop-ups may cause a lot of such unwanted alterations into the way your browser operates. So please be very careful. If the unwanted extension was installed by mistake, you should implement certain fixes to remove it immediately. Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any suspicious extensions here, simply deactivate and remove the extension completely. So this should fix the issue. The majority of such third-party extensions promoted through fake software update alerts may also collect some browsing-related data and spy on the customer's activities. So we strongly advise that you get rid of such extensions. I also recommend you to additionally research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it through this official page and this green Download Combo Cleaner button. Install the application and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware and Anti-Malware, you need to select the preferred scan type. But the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database, and after that process is successfully completed, the program will begin scanning your system. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then the program will give you the detailed and complete summary of threats that were found during the scan. Then you will be able to find out the exact location of all these threats at the end of scan in the complete summary of infections that were revealed during the scan. You may go to Settings of Combo Cleaner and reveal the excellent feature called Anti-Ransomware. This specific feature, of course, is a part of the premium license, and it gives you the opportunity to add several folders that will be properly protected by Combo Cleaner Premium version against all sorts of ransomware attacks. So if you add some of the folders on your computer to the Combo Cleaner Shield, these folders and the data that they contain will be protected against encryption by all sorts of ransomware. So, as you see, this is the summary of threats found during the scan. You may remove them manually, one threat at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.